Hi, I'm John Cancelier with the SRAM Black Box program. We're here at Worlds in Mont St. Anne. Last week in Wyndham, we put Mark Beaumont officially on the Black Box program. He's been someone that I've been watching for the last year and the beginning of the season, knowing that, kind of expecting Mark to, not realize his potential, but go to the speed that we all know he could do. And so I've kind of had my eye on him and was waiting for him to have that, that ride, and Val d'Isole was that ride for him. So after Val d'Isole, I made the decision to get him full black box and get him all the parts. So we got him a new set of brakes, and then also a set of our production descended cranks. And also the big thing this weekend was he got one of the true black box forks with our DLC upper tubes, and just kind of got the full treatment. We value the black box riders because of the feedback that they give us, and it helps us develop more product. That direct interaction between rider and myself basically at the end helps us develop more products, but at the other side we want him to go faster and get the best results he can here at Worlds. I've known Mark for a long time now, and it's really cool to see him being up there and running with the big guys all the time, and it's been a pleasure to work with him.